Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the remaining month reads. This reading is going to be for the sign of Virgo. So let's see what is coming up for you guys for the remaining month time. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading. I will also be adding charms as well. So stay tuned, and while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general read. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal leads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. We will also add some color cards as well to give you additional guidance around around the colors that which color shall you wear during this time to attract more good luck in your life during the remaining month time. So yeah, let's dive into the reading and let's find out how the remaining month is going to be for the sign of Virgo. Let's see. I wonder if you could hear the bird or not. So, yep, Virgos. Let's dive into the reading. Let's find out how the remaining month is going to be for you guys. Knight of Swords, Queen of Cups, Six of Pentacles. I do see you having an argument with the person that you love, and that too is going to be around bringing balance in the connection. It can be your energy asking for balance in the connection, or it can be your person's energy who will be coming forward asking you to bring some balance in the connection. There's a lot of love in this connection. There's a lot of feelings and emotion and attachment in this connection, but yes, there's lack of balance in this connection. This person definitely is somebody that you already know, that you are already in communication with. Maybe if you were in no communication, then you will be having a communication with this person in the remaining month time, where you are going to be discussing, like, what are the things that you both need to work towards mutually, equally, to make the connection more harmonized, to make the connection more beautiful. So I do see that a lot of communication is going to be happening between you and your specific someone, but I do see arguments more than, conversation, discussion. It's more of arguments is what I'm picking up. But yes, there is love. Yes, there is a emotional attachment here as well in this connection. So try to make sure that you don't use any harsh words. And if you're a cross watcher, then too, you should not use any harsh words within the communication that you have with your specific someone, because these words can harm you or your person's energy as well, or the connection's energy as well. Try to use the soft words. Try to be more understanding towards each other during the remaining month time, especially when you are having a discussion. Make sure you don't use any of the abusive language. Make sure that your communication is very clear, so the other person doesn't take your doesn't misinterpret interpret the words that you say. So make sure it's a clear cut communication that you have with your specific someone around what needs to be done within this connection to make it go smooth and harmonized ahead. Let's see more cards here. Three of Wands. I do see disagreements between you and your specific someone around, whatever it is that they are asking for or you are asking for in this connection. It's like, it's going to make you, even if you have communication, I feel like, it's not going to last long. Even if you are in no communication, and if you have the communication, it's not going to last long. Why? Because of the lack of 100% effort from either side. I feel like, one person in this connection is more giving as compared to the other, which always, imbalance the connection there. So it's gonna be, like any of the regular conversation that you're gonna be having, and then it's gonna end up getting you both into having or picking up a fight. If Since this energy is yet to enter in your life, in your connection, maybe you can avoid this by staying calm and cool around it. Try not to pick up any argument, fight with your person. Try to bring balance from your end. Trust me, the other person will put the effort as well. You can always use affirmations, and even if you are starting the conversation with your person, make sure you affirm a few times something positive, that something positive is going to come out of this conversation. So you expect something positive, something beautiful, and you could kick away the negativity from the connection. So you can try doing that, because this is yet to enter, but yes, I do see that coming through for majority of you, especially if you don't work towards it. Let's see more cards here. Six of Wands. Your person could be somebody who's very rich and financially successful as well, somebody who is very much famous as well. It can be you, it can be them as well. But yes, I feel like there is lack of harmony in this connection because of there's lack of time coming from one person in this connection. It can be you, it can be them. Now if that's your person's energy, if they are somebody who's very rich and famous and successful in their work, maybe they are the one who are not giving much into the connection, which is making the connection kind of imbalanced. If that's the case, maybe you need to be more receptive to understand their perspective, their mindset around it. So maybe it will require you to be more strong and more patient, but try to work on the things, because then only the connection will go smooth and slow. One person is more emotional, the other person is more practical, so it's like imbalance there as well. You know, your nature doesn't match with the nature of the person that you are dealing with, so there will be clashes, there will be disagreements, because you both think through things differently. So I do see that coming through as well. Then we do have, but you do have a lot of passion that you share for each other. So things are not going to end forever, at least not in this time. But yes, I do see you having arguments, I do see you having, you know, fights with each other, but at the same time there is mutual energy that you share, which is passionate energy. For some of you, you might be physically connected with each other. Maybe you have been having a lot of physical, you know, sexual relationship with each other as well. Maybe that is one of the things which keeps the two of you together, not for the sake of the sex thing, but it's more like, you know, you do have more of a a deeper bond than just the boyfriend, girlfriend, or husband, wife, or whatever it is that you are dealing with when you with your specific someone, whether you have said express or not. But yes, I do see that there's a lack of harmony in the connection. Again, I do see a lot of arguments coming in the connection as well, but at the same time the love is stronger than the fight that you pick up. On the deck we do have 10 of swords, but this energy is not healthy. I do see you, you know, picking a fight and then putting an end to the conversation. Maybe you are going to end the connection with this person. But again, like I said, it's not going to last long. There's a lot of passion. So I do see with these cards itself, I did mention that, you know, I do see that, you know, it's not going to go where you want it to go. I do see maybe a communication is going to come through and then it's not going to get you what you want, because the other person is not 100% ready to give you what you want. So it's going to be more of that energy, like, you know, on and off energy is what I'm picking up coming up for you for the remaining month time. But again, if you act maturely, if you deal with it maturely, maybe things can get better and things can get you what you want during the remaining month time. But yes, I do see, you know, you have to be very careful with the words you speak. Your person would have to be very careful with the word they speak as well, so the connection doesn't go off balance. Let's see which two colors could be lucky for you for the remaining month time. Let's see. And these two colors could be something that you could wear in clothing or in jewelry if you are into jewelry as well. Kian, build your confidence. Number 35. For some of you, you could be age 35. It's time for you to work on your confidence. That too is going to help you understand that you are worthy of their love and attention, so you would not chase them. If they are not giving you much time, you will be able to absorb that, and you would be kind of, you know, letting them have the space if they need that, because you are confident that they are not going anywhere, they are not, you know, ignoring you for another person. So there has to be that confidence within yourself, so work on your confidence. Then we do have gray. Learn to scan your body. Number 29. Try to scan your thoughts as well, because that too is going to help you a lot to understand this connection. For some of you, you could be age 29 and maybe your person is 35 or vice versa. But yes, it's very important for you to scan your body, scan your thoughts, scan your mind, scan your feelings. Whatever makes you feel good, try to be in that zone more of the time, most of the time, and try to bring happiness in this connection and stay positive. Try to scan your words as well before you speak them, so you don't hurt each other by saying things which you don't mean saying. So let's see more cards. Let's see what else is coming up. Transformation. Your relationship with one another is about to deepen. Love conquers and transforms all things. Now, like I said, I do see that there is love and passion in this connection, but yes, there's imbalance there. So maybe it's time for you to use your power that you are being gifted with. By default, you have that power to manifest whatever you want. You can do that. Again, by trying to learn and scan the thoughts that you have around this person, around this connection, trust me, you can transform this connection that you have with your specific someone. You can make them think of you more, you can make them commit to you more, you can make them give time to this connection more, but using your mind, using your thoughts. Try to think happy thoughts. Try not to think what is going on right now in this connection, like, you know, they are busy, they are this and that. Don't think about it. Think about the desirable outcome that you have with your specific someone, so it manifests for the two of you in this connection. So they bring in the stability within this connection, so you don't have to fight again with them. So let's see one more card from this deck. Let's see what it has to add to the reading. Relationship patterns. It takes strength to recognize the need for change. I feel like, you know, if you could look into it. There has been a pattern that you have been following within this connection. That pattern needs to change. Try to understand where you can put your effort to change the things that you desire in this connection. So try to learn about it, try to scan it again, and you will find the right answer or right path forward with your specific someone. Let's see more cards. Let's see what it has to add. Abundance definitely is going to come true. Enjoy the beauty, enjoy the bounty of life. Your supply is unlimited. Blessings are coming to you. Again, it's very important for you to understand that there is an abundant supply of everything that you desire in this world. All you need to do is to change your thoughts to something abundant when it comes to this connection, especially. So you could have that beautiful energy within this connection with your specific someone. So yeah, try to work on that. Let's see more cards. Let's see. Time to clear your energies. It's time for you to work on clearing your energies with your specific someone. Let's see. All that you seek is seeking you. Again, it's all about the mindset. If you start believing so, trust me, everything is going to get easy for you. Cancer, Leo could be the signs that you are dealing with as well. Prayers will be answered. Your prayers will be answered. So just get excited, happy, and positive. Love yourself, and you deserve it. You need to work on your confidence again. Walk in the nature. That too is going to open up, fresh doors to fresh ideas within this connection. So you could take this connection to the next level happily and positively. Charity, donation, kindness, and generosity. Maybe it's the perfect time for you to donate. Charity, do those kind of things. The what we call it, the social work thing, because that's gonna open new doors to blessings coming your way as well within this connection and otherwise as well. Write down your goals. Now, when it comes to your goals, maybe you can write down your goals for other areas of your life, plus your goals about this connection. What is it that you desire? Now, when you write down those things, what you desire within this connection with your specific someone, it's very important for you to, when you spend some time in the nature, try to manifest it by thinking, visualizing the goals of what you desire in this connection. Like, think of the happy thoughts. What is the ideal outcome that you desire with your specific someone? Think of those thoughts so they manifest in your reality. So let's see one more card from this deck, and then we're going to take one more card, and then at the end we're going to take the charms. You are very close to achieving your goal. Whatever it is that you desire with your specific someone, you can have it. It's all about you changing the pattern, working towards it, and bring it forth, whatever it is that you desire. So you need to learn to change your thinking pattern so you could get what you desire, manifest it. Service, again, it's the same message as I said, that maybe some charity and social work is going to help you open the doors to abundance as well. So maybe you can do charity if there are people around you who need help, any sort of help, financial, if they need food, maybe you can donate some food to someone. That too is going to help. If there's nobody like that, maybe you could feed the birds as well. That too is going to help you a lot. Let's see the charms now. Let's see what the charms have to add to the read for you guys. So we do have two alphabets, A and F. It can be your name initial of the person that you are dealing with. Then try not to bring the past in this connection, especially when you are having an argument. Try to be like, a boss. Try to be kind with your words. There is like, you do have ugly fights, by the way. For some of you, you or your person could be watching you from a distance. Maybe they are checking out your pictures as well. If you are in no communication, maybe they are missing you, thinking about you and the good times that they spent with you. If they have your pictures, they would be checking them as well. There's a lot of love in this connection. And hold on. So yeah, there's a lot of love in this connection. But I feel like, you guys are made for each other with this card, just for you. The universe is telling you that maybe they are just for you, but at the same time, you need to change your thought patterns and cut out the things that makes you feel bad about this, situation that you have with each other. Maybe them giving you not enough time in this connection and stuff like that. Maybe you need to change your attitude. Again, try to work on your confidence so you could have, you could feel that, they are all yours without having any fear around it. So whether they talk or they don't, they are all yours, and they are, always thinking about you. Maybe you can make some affirmations around that, which will also help. So yeah, this pretty much it coming up for you for the remaining month time. If the reading resonates with you, to like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye-bye.